Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you a very vibrant and colorful pulao. I've used butterfly blue pea tea in this recipe and prepared this pulao. These days butterfly blue pea tea is so popular you can find it across social media. Recently for Shankranti I received chai mee. If you're following me on Facebook and Instagram, you would have seen on my stories unboxing chai mee. This wonderful premium tea comes with 4 assorted teas: the blue pea tea, saffron kava, masala chai, and ginger herbal chai.
The packaging was really superb. We have already used the masala chai and we really enjoyed the masala chai. So the packaging was absolutely wonderful. I'll post more information about Chai Me and all the links to Chai Me where you can purchase this box, and you can find more teas on their website.
This is a perfect gift for someone you love and it's very affordable. I'll post all the links to Chai Me so that you can find the pricing on the website.
All the information about Chai Me will be in the description box below this video. Now let's get into the recipe and get started. Here I've heated a wok on medium flame. For the entire recipe I'll be using the same wok. In the wok I've added a teaspoon of ghee and oil. On very low to medium flame I've heated the oil and ghee. I've added cinnamon, cloves and cardamoms, allowed it to splutter for a minute's time.
Fry the spices on low flame. Don't fry it on high flame. Once these spices have fried, I've added finely chopped ginger, garlic and fried it for a minute. Then I've added finely chopped onion and fried the onion till it turned transparent.
Once the onions have fried, I've added finely chopped chilies. I'll add chopped potato, peas and carrot. We'll fry all the veggies for 2 minutes. I'll also add dry fruits, cashew nut, walnut, almonds and
Raisins.
All the ingredients for another 2 minutes. I've added salt as per taste and water, quarter cup of water. We'll stir all the ingredients, cover and cook the veggies for 2 to 3 minutes. Since all the veggies are chopped into tiny pieces, it will take only 2 to 3 minutes. Now this is optional. You can add lemongrass or leave that out. I already had dried lemongrass, so I've added it.
In 2 minutes interval, stir your veggies. And after 2 minutes, you can add your cauliflower florets and stir it in the veggies. Also wash your basmati rice and soak it at this point. Cover and cook the veggies further. Now in a saucepan, I've added water and allow the water to boil. Once the water has boiled, I'll remove it from the flame.
So the amount of rice that I've used, so in this glass I've measured 1 glass of basmati rice. Here I've boiled 2 glasses full of water. I'll be using the butterfly blue pea flour. I've used 3 teaspoons of that. I've added it to the hot water. I'm going to allow the tea to steep.
The tea has to steep for 3 minutes, and after 3 minutes you can uncover the veggies and stir it once.
Here you can see the veggies have cooked. Now I'll be adding the soaked basmati rice to the veggies, and we'll fry the basmati rice for a minute's time. All the ingredients used in this recipe, my social media handle link and the blog link will be in the description box below this video. Detailed recipe is posted on my blog. The blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. Now once I've fried this rice for a minute, the tea is also steeped. I'm going to strain the tea and add it to the rice. So you can see that vibrant blue color. The flavors from the tea and the masala was very good. We really enjoyed it. Now I'm going to stir this. On low flame, I'm going to allow the rice to cook till the rice absorbs at least 70% of the moisture. I've also added salt. We'll stir it once and place it on low flame and allow the rice to cook. Now once the rice has absorbed most of that moisture, place it on very low flame, then place the lid and allow the rice to cook for 15 to 20 minutes on very low flame. Max to max, it took me only 15 minutes for the rice to cook. Now after 15 minutes, gently stir it. Your rice is done. So here is my butterfly blue pea pulao. It turned out absolutely amazing. I gently stirred it and served it as hot as possible. Do try this recipe, friends. If you enjoyed watching my video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. All the links to Chaimi, all the ingredients used in this recipe, along with my social media handlings and the blog link will be in the description box below this video. I will be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.